Measure and cut a wood cross support, approximately 2 by 6 inches, to fit between the wall studs. Attach 4 corner brackets with screws to the wood cross support. Prepare and solder inlet and outlet copper pipe and fittings, so no soldering is made within 6 inches of the valve body to avoid heat damage to internal components. Wrap Teflon pipe thread sealing tape onto the male threads of the hot and cold inlet and outlet connections of the body. Screw the pipes and fittings onto the valve body inlet and outlets, tighten firmly with a wrench. Pay attention to the inlet marked in on the valve body. Determine the valve position in the wall, and mark the back wall vertically and the studs horizontally. Insert the wood cross support against back wall between the studs, check for level, and mark the valve center line to align with the vertical lines on the back wall and horizontal lines on the studs. Remove wood cross support to mark the lines on it and reinsert it against the back wall between the studs. Align vertical/horizontal markings on the cross support with back wall and studs. Check for level and secure the wood cross support with corner brackets and screws to the studs. Position the valve body with pipes and fittings attached against the wood cross support, align it with the vertical and horizontal center line markings. Important, the inlet port marked in on the body typically at 6 o'clock. Mark the center lug on back of valve body and drill a 3/4 by 3/8 of an inch deep hole in the wood cross support. Attach the valve to the wood cross support with copper tube strap clips and screws. Check the body and the all-thread nipple are level and straight, so they will be aligned and perpendicular to the finished wall. Make sure the outlets are capped, turn on the water and check for leaks, and attach the tube mudguard to protect the body and all thread.